Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to show you this cucumber and cottage cheese salad. It's very simple. You start out by peeling two cucumbers. Well, depending on how much you're going to make. So it could be one, it could be two. And you have some choices here. You could dice them, slice them. I decided to do it two ways. First was using the mandolin to make matchstick shapes, or I guess size. And then the other way I did it was I grated my cucumber. So I wanted two different textures. And I was actually planning on making a lot. And then I realized that someone ate quite a bit of my cottage cheese. Oh well. So I'll just make a smaller salad and figure out something else to do with the rest of the cucumbers. But so you add about 50%, 50-50, 1-to-1 ratio of cottage cheese and cucumber. And everything is pretty much to taste. Maybe you want more cottage cheese, maybe you want more cucumber. But it's salt, pepper, and sage. This is a classic flavor combination that I'm using. I was actually taught this recipe by a lady from Iran, but she used yogurt, plain yogurt, instead of cottage cheese. But this is a nice salad to make. I'm going to tell you, it's flavorful, it's light, it's really good on a summer day, but you can have it any time of year. Especially, January, a lot of people like to kind of diet and eat a little lighter. Oop. So, now what I'm going to do, now that I have my seasoning on there, I'm going to fold everything together. And then after I fold it, I'm going to test for seasoning, see if I like it, if I want a little more of this or that. So you'll get the gist of it. But I'm going to tell you, it's really good. I don't know why they don't make like savory yogurts or a savory flavored cottage cheese. Alright, so I'm going to take a different spoon and try this. And then again, just like I said, once you taste it, you want to adjust your flavor. And I really like sage. It's probably one of my favorite herbs, and I just can't get enough of it to come out. Add a little more. Alright, so I think you kind of get my gist here. So you just make it to fit your flavors or your liking. Alright, so I'm going to get a little fancy here. It would be nice if I had a nice lettuce leaf to do what I'm about to do. But I'm going to use what I got and kind of make it a little fancier than just having a bowl of cottage cheese. So I flipped it over on top of the plate after molding it into that little cup. And now I will take a little bit of the matchstick size cucumber, put it on top. And there you have it. And you could also put a little parsley on top to make it look even fancier. Here we go, better shot of it for you. Alright. So that's the recipe right there. So thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos. And tell me if you try this salad in the comments. Take care. Bye-bye.